Right. Hi, I'm Giovann, and I'm the executive head chef at Norma. And today I'll be cutting.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Giovann, and I'm the executive head chef at Norma London. And today I'll be using, for the first time, the Sakai Cuba knives. I think it's very important to have a sharp knife. A blunt knife. With a blunt knife, it's easier to cut your hand than a sharp knife, really. It's very important that when you're using a knife, like a Japanese knife like this, or any knife really, it's very important that you never scrape the board like this. Yeah? This will make the blade blunt. You just turn the knife and move things along with the other side. Yeah? It's very important to hold your knife with a very good grip. The way I hold the knife is that I put my thumb on this side of the knife, so I have a better grip when I'm cutting. This will prevent the knife from falling or cutting yourself, really. So we're cutting some chilies here, Juliet. This cut is called Juliet cut. We're gonna cut these shallots with one.
Any thoughts on the knife?
It's nice.
You can see the things as well.
That's nice.
Isn't it too light for you?
Sorry?
Too light?
This here is a little bit different. Yeah.
This is an English
I like it though.
Oh yeah.
It's a nice handle. It's nice. Thanks. Go have a look where Smart is busy.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, your thoughts.
Oh, it's very nice. What do I think? It's very light though, very light.
Do you like it or you would prefer something heavier?
No, I think it's good. It's got good balance. It's nice colour. It's got a very good artistic element to it. And yeah, the blade is like very nice looking as well. But you wouldn't want to like damage it too much. So you see that's nice.
You wouldn't want to damage it at all.
No, of course, but obviously the artisticness of it is something special. So it's very nice.
Thank you.